Hi, today I'm Julito Baraban, a butcher here in Mati City, Philippines. Today I will show you the 5 standard cuts of whole raised chicken. But before I proceed to cuttings, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using my honing steel in 45-degree angles. Now let's proceed to cuttings. And now these are the 5 standard cuts of whole raised chicken. First, wings, drumstick, thigh part, breast, and the last is backbone. And that's all. Thank you.